Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome back, guys, to another Disney Steve presentation. Today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the new 2021 Disney Pixar Cars new 2021 poster, part 2 of the new cars. So in this video, like I said, we're going to take a look at, so check out my last video, which is all of the new cars, all of those stuff, all the new Cars 3 2021 stuff. I'll link the reviews, the videos in the description below, and the car suggestion pop up at the top right hand corner if you want to check that out. And if you want to see more of these videos, you can subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications so that you can get to know everything whatever I do on the new news. So these are kind of news, like, because they've been updating some of these stuff, and there are a lot of them now recently, new cars coming up, more checklist. I guess this might not be the year. If they release more, they'll get another new checklist where you'll get all of the new cars for a list. You'll get to know whatever are new from the case and whatever are re-releases. Yeah, so without any further ado, let's just dive right into the cars. But before I start, I just wanted to tell you that where I'm always finding these. I found it on Google. Like, if you search like Cars 3 2021 cars, you get on Pixar Fandom. There will be singles, 2-packs, and another one was updated in series as well, like Cars 1, Cars 2, Cars 3, like that. They did like that recently, and that was good because I had needed that. And there were like a couple of these new ones and other re-releases and stuff, but they wanted to do the new ones better than the old ones, and they got the recent ones. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just dive. So here we're getting a couple of surprises. One of them are the singles, then the racing red cars, golden, nothing, only Lightning McQueen, and also then we're getting the new 2-packs, then deluxes. So that's kind of cool. And I wanted to tell you that they're organized in series like Copper Canyon Speedway, then Tokyo Racing, and then we have the Ramon's Body Shop, then House Body Shop, and then Florida 500 and Tractors, Easter, Christmas, Cars 1 races, then Next Gen races, Willis Butte Racing Series, then Fireball Beach Racing, then Radiator Springs, and all this, etc. There have been like that, they've been updating like this every time, but in between it's been mixed like that. They had to do the mixed ones. So let's take a look at the poster now. And one thing that changed in the poster is they don't have Mater and Fillmore like in the last poster. There's Mater, Lightning McQueen, and Fillmore, I guess, but now it's different. So let's take a look. Over here you can see the Disney Pixar Cars logo. Over here they've given a slogan logo. Fuel the fun with Team Lightning McQueen 2021 checklist. And then over here you can see Lightning Bolt, and at the back you can see the Thunderbolt or the Lightning Bolt design. So let's start with the singles first. So the first single we have is Jackson Storm, and then Rusty's Lightning McQueen. Then we have Brian Spark, and then Murray Clutchburn. Then the next one we have is Jimmy Cables. Then with the Tokyo Racing Series we have is Kabuto, Suki, Harumi, Bob Pulley. And then we have Hot Rod Junior Moon, Hot Rod Smokey, Hot Rod River Scott, and Hot Rod Louis Nash, who has been recently released in KSG of the new 2021 singles. Then we have Maddie McGear, Pat Traxon, Track Damage Cruz Ramirez. Then we have Daryl Catrip. Then we have Pit Crew member Fillmore, then Bob Cutlass. Then we have Sputterstar Racing Tractor, which is one of my favorite tractors which have been released for 2021, and even the views in as well. Then we have Bumper Save Racing Tractor, then Easy Idol Racing Tractor, and last we have is the Views in Racing Tractor. So now let's take a look at the new ones, which this one was cancelled many years ago, then it's been released once again, which is Lightning McQueen as the Easter Buggy. Then we have the Easter Buggy. Then we have Holiday Hotshot Lightning McQueen. Then we have Christmas Cruiser Ramon. Next one we have is Darren Ledford. Then we have Todd Marcus, and then we have Ruby Easy Oaks and Manny Flywheel. And this car was released in a 2-pack with Speedy Comet. He was a Cars 1 racer with a Cars 3 racer. It should be now Parker Brixton instead of Manny Flywheel. Then next we have is Aiken Axler, then Sheldon Shifter, and M-Fast Fong is the newest next gen out till now, which has been released. Like Nick Shit is also not out till now, but we have been getting couple of images of him and I like him a lot. I like M-Fast Fong and Will Rush and the Nick Shift and Jim Reddick for the new 2021. They're amazing guys. They look nice. I like him. I just want to play with him all day like that. Just keeping all day with me. Then we have JD McPillar. Then we have AJ Hollis. Then we have Will Rush. Then next one we have is Tex Dinoco, was released in the first or second or third case of 2021. Then we have Saludos Amigos Ramon, which this paint job looks amazing. He looks fantastic. I like him a lot. Then we have we have Dinoco Cruz Ramirez, and then we have Fabulous Lightning McQueen, Flo, Racing Start, Luigi and Guido. Then we have Lightning McQueen with Cone, Miter, Ramon, Lizzie, or you should say Green Ramon because it's Green Ramon, so might as well just follow the playlist as Ramon, that's it. Then Lizzie, Mildred Bylane, Sarge, Floyd Morgan. Then we have Joy Dawn Jackson. Then Ducky Fauntleroy. Then we have Caleb Worley. The next one we have is Trainer Cruz Ramirez. This card was released last year 2020 with a normal Cruz Ramirez picture, but now it is another picture. And then another thing is that she was faced at the left hand side instead of the right hand side. The people thought that she was just a normal Cruz, so didn't get the, now she's getting re-released again. I thought it should be a new release, I guess, so might as well just count it as a re-release. Then we have Lightning McQueen with the Piston Cup trophy, and then Aiden, and like I said, Aiden was released in a 2-pack with Gabriel in 2017, mid 2017 or 18, I guess. And then we have Tom W, Kurt, Smokey, Robert James Jones, Sweetie Squad we're getting. Then we have Pam Wheeldaro, and then Pile Up. Then we have Pushover, Jambalaya Chimichanga. Then we have Muddy Rusty's Racing Center, Lightning McQueen. Then Taco, Jimbo, Blind Spot, Andrea, Kathy Copter. Then we have Cody Turbowitz. Then we have Dash Boardman. Then Francesco Bernoulli. Then we have Lewis Hamilton. Then we have Jeff Gorvett. Then we have Mama Bernoulli. And then we have Courtney Casper. Then Mark Schnell. And then the next one we have is Chris Repstowski. And then we have Chisaki. You can tell her name as... Your name is Chisaki. And then next one we have is Hydraulic Ramon. And then we have let me see. Then we have Hot Rod Steve Herschel. Then we have Clutch 8 Tractor. Then we have Mummy Costume Luigi and Ghost Costume Guido for the Halloween. Then we have Rusty Corn Fuel. And then we have just a minute, guys. Then we have Marlon Clutches McKay. Then we have Next Shit, which is also my new favorite next gen, and Jim Reddick, not that much, but he'll be in my top 10, top 9. Jim Reddick. Then we have Doc Hudson, which I recently reviewed him on my channel. You can check that out. Then we have Sheriff. Oh, sorry guys. Then we have Jimmy Lugs Ranch. Then we have Clovis Ryder, Sterling. Then we have Antonio Velosa Excelente. Then we have Dewey Conrad. Then we have Millie. Then we have Rich Hurry. Then we have Derek Williams. Then we have Sarah Wilson. Then Raul Sarul. Then Ron Hoover. So these are the singles. Now let's take a look at the new Racing Red cars. So first one we have is Racing Red Jackson Storm, Racing Red Sally, Racing Red Miter, Racing Red Dinoco Cruz Ramirez, then Racing Red Light Cars 3 Lightning McQueen, and then we have Racing Red Francesco Bernoulli. So the next one we have is the new Golden Cars, which is only one car, which has only been Lightning McQueen, which is for the 15th anniversary of Disney Pixar Cars, I guess. So I guess it might be for that. So now let's take a look at the new 2021 2-packs. So first 2-pack for 2021 was Major and Lightning McQueen with Racing Wheels or Lightning McQueen. Then we have Eric Laney and Alex Carville. Then we have Sally and Cruising Lightning McQueen. Then we have Bobby Swift and Blake Yardley. Next we have is Ryan Inside Laney and Eric Breaker, which Ryan Inside Laney has been released every year for cars, which has been a peg warmer recently. And Eric Breaker with him. Yeah, so it might be kind of a raid. Then we have Mayday, Junior Moon and Leroy Hemmings. Then we have Dusty Rusties and Rusty Rusties. Then we have Hit and Run. Then Jackson Storm and Laura Spinwell. Well, Laura Spinwell was released last year with Ray Everham, the crew chief for Jackson Storm and Pity. Laura Spinwell, the Pity of Jackson Storm. And then next one we have is Double Catch Daily and Dirt Track Fabulous Hudson Hornet, which is the only new 2021 2-pack which has been released, I guess. Yeah. And then we have Speedy Comet and Parker Brixton, and over here it's showing Parker Brixton. Where you've seen the image where I found one of these, it was written as Manny Flywell. I don't know why that might be an error, but over here they're showing that one instead of the other one. And then we have is Okuni and Sejiko or anything, I don't know what to spell. And then over here, this might also kind of be a new pack because they have Clutch 8 Racing Tractor and Rusty's Cruiser Ramirez. We're gonna damage Rusty's Cruiser Ramirez. And then we have Sweet Tea and Guido. So now taking a look at the new 2021 Deluxes for the new year. So the first one we have is Leroy Hemmings with Snow Tires. And then we have other one is Red, then Mac, then we have RV, Dr. Damage, then we have Kingpin Nobunaga, and then we have Team 95 and 51 Mitre, then Miss Fritter. Then we have only been 2 new releases of the Deluxes and 8 re-releases. So one of them was Team 95 Mitre and the other one is Xavier Rodalt. And then we have Cone Teeth Mitre. I mean Mitre with Cone Teeth, or you can say. And then we have Corporal Josh Coolant. And then we have Robert. Last but not least is Robert Turboski, which was released last year. Yeah, so that is going to be it for the checklist, guys. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to leave a like and leave a comment down below. You can subscribe to my channel by the left hand side. Watch another video on the right hand side. So that's going to be it. So bye now.